as a legal practice head, whether you have ventured out of an organization or whether you're still in an organization, a legal practices head within an organization are entrepreneurs basically. It's their own practice. It's like a small business in the organization. But they still have some benefits of the organizational structure, infrastructure, previous brand, everything. But they are also competing with other businesses in that organization because there are other partners. So all of that is there. But for someone who has completely ventured out, they, like me, are giving a lot of their years where they could have enjoyed stability and a lot of money for doing just one job with a lot of money sacrificed or doing double the job.